Even in this chapter, problem set also we will do in between itself. So now see problem set 2, question number 2. Which of the following quadratic equations are not? First one is x square plus 2x plus 11 equal to 0. So here just focus on the index. Highest index is 2. So here x is the only variable and maximum index of variable x is 2. So it is a quadratic equation in variable x. The conclusion is like this. X square minus 2x plus 5 equal to x square. So how to modify this? Look at this. This is the given equation. Now right hand side x square also we are taking to left hand side. Then what happens? X square as it is, and whatever right hand side x square we are taking this side, it becomes negative x square minus 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Now here it is positive x square and negative x square. These are cancels. So what remains here? Negative 2x plus 5 remains in the next step equal to 0. So here maximum index of variable x is 1 and not 2. So final equation we will see. Here the maximum index is 1. So we will say that it is not a quadratic equation. Next one. X plus 2 whole square equal to 2x square. So this is different type of equation we have to solve. In this it is given x plus 2 whole square equal to 2x square. Convert this into standard form. This is in the form of a plus, we know the formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here in the place of a we have x, in the place of b we have 2. So we convert this into expanded form. So x plus 2 square equal to a square is x square plus 2 into a into b. 2 into a is x into b is 2 plus b square, that is 2 square. So this is rough work, don't write in middle. After x plus 2 whole square you write x square plus 2x into 2 plus 2 square equal to this 2x square as it is. So x square plus 2 2s are 4x plus 2 square is 4 equal to 2x square. Now here x square and x square, these two are like terms, and here coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of x square is 2, bigger one is this. So we will take these all terms this side. So here remains 0 equal to 2x square as it is, and bring these all things here. Negative 1x square, positive becomes negative 4x, negative 4. So 0 equal to 2 minus 1, 1. Normally we are not writing x square as it is. Minus 4x minus 4. So just we will interchange. X square minus 4x minus 4 equal to 0. Now this is the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c form. So highest index is 2. So this is a quadratic equation. Look at this. Here expanded form of this written 2x square and bringing everything in one side. So final equation we will get x square minus 4x minus 4 equal to 0. Here x is the only variable and maximum index of variable x is 2. So it is a quadratic equation in variable x. So problem set question number 2 completed. Next, practice set 2.1.